Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely superb Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. Here we have a Harley-Davidson FXLRS Lowrider S. This is a 2020 bike on a 20 plate with just 2,229 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in outstanding condition and comes in, well, pretty much standard trim actually. So if you are looking for something to make your own, then this is a good place to start. Of course, it's in the vivid black colour scheme, which always looks absolutely superb on this bike because, well, it's all blacked out. Everything, the engine's black, the air filter was black, the exhausts are black, everything's black, to be fair, apart from the wheels, which are a very nice sort of magnesium colour. Very nice indeed. The exhausts themselves, standard items, but they are in fantastic condition, just like the rest of this bike. No marks on the pegs, so I will mention there is one accessory there, and that is the forward controls, as you can see there. So if you like your Harleys with those forward controls, then this is one for you to look at. Of course, it's the 114 engine, so that's 1868 in modern money. And yeah, that's a fantastic motor, of course. Bags of torque, bags of power. No marks on the bar ends, the levers or the mirrors there. Of course, you could flip them around if you wanted to. Front of the bike, all in good condition. The forks there, upside down forks, just giving it that sort of roadster feel. All in good condition, no corrosion anywhere there either. And the front wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches. And the front tyre, loads of life left there, as you can see. We'll come down to the back because I realise I haven't done that yet properly. The rear wheel, again in excellent condition, and the rear tyre, again, bags of life left there. All the rear fender in excellent condition, no sign of any paint bubbling up there, no sign of any corrosion just starting to creep in at all. Single seat, of course, on this Lowrider S. No rips or tears in that one, and the paintwork on the tank all in excellent condition. The nose cone there, again, that's all excellent as well. No stone chips or scratches there, and the headlamp, again, no stone chips. Front mudguard, great condition there, as we can see in that top view, and the left-hand side. Again, all absolutely superb. No sign of any damage on the mirrors. The levers, all the bar ends there, all the indicator. The front fork on this left-hand side, all in excellent condition as well. Of course, you get anti-lock brakes on this Harley-Davidson, and that front wheel on the left-hand side in great condition. Just all the front of the bike there, behind the front wheel, in great condition as well. No stone chips, no sign of any kind of corrosion, all paint flaking off on the engine there, of course, and the foot peg and lever there, all in great condition on this left hand side, along with your engine casing and that 114 engine embellisher there as well, just in case you'd forgotten how big your engine was. The swinging arm, all in good condition there, and the belt, pulley and rear wheel on this left hand side, again in fantastic order. Top of the mudguard there, or fender should we say, on a Harley-Davidson, all excellent, no rips or tears in the seat. The clock's mounted in the tank there, as you can see, and you've got those twin style fillers also. Digital and analog combination, of course, for your dials. One other accessory fitted to this one, quite a popular one, and it's the cruise control. You can just see the button there on that left handlebar. So if you are looking for a Harley-Davidson power cruiser, look no further than this absolutely beautiful Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this fantastic Harley-Davidson, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.